All right, guys, we're working on the lubing here. This is engine assembly lube. The main part of the engine, after rebuilt, that often went bad, is the crankshaft, especially if it was overheating. How do you know you have a good crankshaft? Let me show you how. See that? That's how you know. So if the crankshaft retracts, that means there are no play. There's also no play here. And no play here. All right, guys. This is the original Yamaha gasket. I had to literally cut this pattern, that cylinder 1 pattern. Right, and I had to cut this pattern, cylinder 2 pattern. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2. On the Yamaha, you have an outside oil pipe, while on this one it's built in inside a piston. Because I like to work with balance. If I would start with cylinder 1, the engine would be unbalanced. So this is the center weight of it. I had to find out how to put the piston in on such a small compartment. And my usual ring compressor does not work for this piston because it's way too small. I mean, this thing is so small. See that? It's way too small. They built this in a way that you can actually push it in. It will work because half of the block is a little bit larger when it comes out the top of the block, then it starts to compress the ring. Trick. So that's done. I'm going to deglaze the cylinder now. So this is what we're working. So dirty. This is what we're going to fix. Same thing on the left. What about the bottom? The bottom. This would be the cylinder, and it would be these two. Where's my goddamn acetone? All right. So here, clean here. Alright, it's ready for the gasket. It's ready for Mr. Gasket. But I'm not ready for it. 58 CF fluid on it. bin. That's one. Two. There's the trick. I think it was going to be something different. Plain and simple. Brand new. Deglaze. Yeah. It's for this guy. Something I gotta do. You're watching. Yes. This is the only thing. Now, put this where it really needs it, right here. Beautiful. About 15 minutes. See that? Cylinder 1. Yes. Cylinder 2. 15 beautiful minutes. I am in my job. That's it. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2. I'm gonna take this and that. Well, one has its own stuff. Let's see if I can roll this. But yeah, next is I'm gonna change those rods. You've seen me already do that, so I'm not even gonna show them the video. I'm gonna change them. And that does it.